In this video, I will show the process of getting records from AWS RDS to Insider. Let's go inside the process. Here we can see 4 connectors. The first 3 are taking records from AWS RDS tables and store them to put it forward internal table. And the last connector gets consolidated records and sends them to Insider. Let's have a look inside the connector. The first one gets information about users' first name, last name, email, country, and city. Let's see the query we're using to get this information. Here's the query. We are filtering by the country USA. Getting back to Process Designer, this second connector gets information from a different table that contains loyalty info. It gets email and loyalty number, and it will be using the following query. The third connector gets any remaining additional information from the third table in AWS RDS, which is age, birthday, event name, language, permission for email. And of course, email itself, because that's our unique identifier. The query we're using is as follows. And here again, we are filtering by the country USA. And the last connector connects to the information that has been received from all 3 tables consolidated, and that sends to Insider. Here you can see some transformations for the fields required by Insider as a destination system, as well as some business logic in between. Let's go ahead and run the connector. We are being redirected to the reports page where you can see the results and outputs of each run. Here we can see that the process has run successfully. Let's get inside of it. All 4 connectors had successful runs. Here you can see how many records were processed and if they were successful, skipped, or failed. Let's get to the last connector and look at the record. So that's the record with this email. Copy it. And some transformations and the output that has been stored to Insider. As you can see, the country is United States, and here is an email. Let's go inside the Insider system and check for this record. So we have 12 records now. Nothing is here. Let's refresh. Okay, we've got some new records. The record I was looking for is 671BA and at example.com, and here is 671BA at example.com record. I'll click on it and I will view user attributes. As we can see, country is United States, language English, and all the information that you have seen